Welcome on our YouTube channel. My name is Stephan Andréewitch, director of Andréewitch Fine Arts, specialized in antique Viennese clocks in Vienna. I'm happy to welcome you today in Pilsen, Czech Republic, former Bohemia, 90 kilometers west of Prague, in one of the nicest Czech clock collections. And I'm happy to present you a classical Biedermeier clock, Grand Sonnery, 3-weight with a steel pendulum and striking on wire gongs. I have to mention that this clock is in absolutely untouched condition, mahogany veneered with maple stringing, and the carved sculpture decoration, we date it around 1840 to 45. The length is about 38 inches or 95 centimeters, and it's a lovely example of a later clock. And from now on we will have a special section on our website www.andreewitch.com with Biedermeier clocks, which is new. We would be happy to welcome you in the gallery in Stallburggasse 2 in Vienna. And I also would like to mention that our book, the Viennese pendulum clock 1718 to 1850, will finally be published in latest June this year, after having done research on 14,000 clockmakers and 350 regulators published in the first volume. Thank you for listening and hope to see you again.